Hello guys, welcome to iTutor. Hope you all are doing well. So today we will start a new topic in second paper, that is educational administration and management paper. In that paper, public administration is one of the main topic. In under the public administration, structure and forms of organization, there is a one topic. In that topic, today we will discuss about line agency mainly. Okay, so let's begin our today's video. In any organization, one could find two types of functions being performed by two distinct type of authority. Okay, so in already we discussed about the public administration. In public administration, there is an organization, right? Government organizations are there, and different kind of organizations. In this organization, there could be two type of functions being performed by distinct type of authorities. In organization, one authority is there, which whatever the organization, there is two types of authorities. So we will see that two types of authorities. These functions are line functions and staff functions. Okay, in these two types of authority, that is line functions and staff functions, performed by line agencies and staff agencies. In organization, there will be two functions mainly. One is line function and other is staff function, and this is performed by one is line agencies and staff agencies respectively. So today we will discuss the line agency only, because you don't confuse about these two things, and in the final section we will discuss the comparison of two agencies. Okay, and already you will understand the final sections of staff agencies and line agencies. The difference you will make out your own way, and today we only discuss this through this video only line agency. Tomorrow we will cover the staff agency. Okay, so in this video we shall discuss the various dimensions of line agencies, and tomorrow we shall discuss staff agencies. Okay, and first of all we will see the meaning of line agency. What is line agency? First of all, almost every citizen daily comes into contact with the departments and agencies which are to provide a particular service or goods to him. Okay, in your life also, you are going to a village office, you are going to a panchayat, otherwise any authorities like universities, you are going for any admission purpose, or your or your brother or sister or your child का admission के लिए आप जा रहे हैं college पे, any institution पे. Otherwise you are going to village level local bodies for your home related services. So we in our everyday life we are facing particular agencies or particular departments for any purpose. Okay, all such agencies that are concerned with the execution और फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. आप किस चीज़ के लिए जा रहे होगा, मे बी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑफिस में आप जा रहे हैं फॉर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल भरने के लिए. That's the one function, right? So your that is your एक पर्पस है. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए आपका घर पे, तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल पे करना है, then you need to go to electricity office. So that is one function. So that agency, what electricity office क्या कर रहे हैं, वो एजेंसी आपका जो बिल पेमेंट कर देगा, राइट? दैट इज एग्जीक्यूट कर रहे हैं आपका बिल का पेमेंट. और फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, ये आपका एक प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव है. एंड फंक्शंस ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट एंड डील डायरेक्टली विद द पीपल आर कॉल्ड लाइन एजेंसीज. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड आपके साथ क्या कर रहे हैं, डायरेक्टली फंक्शन, राइट? आप बिल पे करने के लिए जा रहे हैं तो आपका बिल डायरेक्टली पे कर रहे हैं इन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑफिस. It's a direct function. They are communicating with you directly. Okay, so that is one of the direct function. It's a line function. So now you clear one point, right? Line agencies are doing primary objectives of the department, of any of the department. these agencies provide services to the people. ओके, आप बिल पे किया, एक सर्विस हो गया. इफ़ आप विलेज ऑफिस में जा रही है कुछ काम के लिए, वो भी एक कुछ लेटर के लिए होगा, वो भी आपके लिए सर्विस होगा. पंचायत, दे आर डूइंग द सर्विसेज. इफ़ यू आर गोइंग फॉर ए यूनिवर्सिटी, योर एडमिशन, योर मार्क लिस्ट यू आर collecting, that's the services for you from their side. So you and that agency or that department is directly communicating. So that's a direct function. Okay, remember these points. These agencies provide services to the people, regulate their conduct, and implement programs as sanctioned or approved by the legislature. They are concerned with the primary objective for which the government exists. And from top to bottom, a single line of authority extends from the commissioner and secretary to the third and fourth grade employees in the department. So, एक टॉप लेवल से बॉटम लेवल तक एक सिंगल लाइन ऑफ अथॉरिटी होगा. वन इज़ कमिश्नर एंड सेक्रेटरी टू थर्ड एंड फोर्थ ग्रेड एम्प्लॉयज़ इन द डिपार्टमेंट. एक डिपार्टमेंट में क्या होगा, एक फाइनल अथॉरिटी होगा, दैट्स हम कमिश्नर होगा, राइट. इन गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट में तो कमीशन होगा, उसके लिए कमिश्नर होगा वहाँ पे, एंड सेक्रेटरी होगा उसके लिए, वो पॉलिसीज़ को पढ़ाने के लिए एंड बाकी चीज़ करने के लिए. एंड क्या होगा, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ ग्रेड एम्प्लॉयज़ होगा, वो काम ऑफिस काम करने के लिए, राइट. एंड it may be noted that the activities of the line agency are primary. The first function, primary function है line agency का. It means they perform those functions to accomplish the purpose for which they exist. For example, the primary activity of the secretary of the Department of Home Affairs is to maintain peace as well as law and order in the country. Okay, right. एक Department of Home Affairs का function क्या है, उसका मेंटेन पीस एज वेल एज लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. दैट इज़ देयर प्राइमरी फंक्शन. एक किस चीज़ के लिए, सिटीजन्स के लिए, राइट. सो दे आर डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्विंग दिस फंक्शंस. So there is one important point is, one is primary function. Line agencies are doing the primary function. They communicate people to directly, right. And what is the nature of line agencies? So we will look at the nature of the line agencies. Each line agency carry out a major or primary objective of the organization. So remember this point. Each line agency, whichever department, वो line agency क्या करते हैं, major or primary objectives of the organization को देखते हैं. We already see the example. The line agencies are those administrative organizations which are established to carry out major primary function of the administration. For example, Department of Defense is established to ensure the defense of the nation, while the Department of Health is established to provide a health care services to the people. That is their health department का primary objective क्या है, health अच्छे से provide करना for the citizen. Okay, and line agencies have the authority to issue orders. ए ऑर्डर कौन इशू करते हैं, बिकॉज कमिश्नर है, सेक्रेटरी है वहाँ पे, एंड थर्ड एंड फोर्थ जनरेशन एम्प्लॉयज़ है वहाँ पे. सो ये ऑर्डर एक किस चीज़ के लिए ऑर्डर, इफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर इज प्रोवाइडिंग ऑर्डर इन द टाइम ऑफ emergencies or something, for what? So maintain law and order, right. So the line agencies have the authority to issue orders for related subjects. And another fundamental feature of line agency is that these have the power to issue orders and to make decisions. And district level mein they can take the decisions also. In state level mein state authorities are there for taking the decisions. Each line agency has one chain of command. So each line agency have a command होगा वहाँ पे, right. In district में तो district collector होगा, that's the main command for that district. So he or she issue the order, law and order, and make the functions finally implement through their staff, right. So this is the second nature of the line agency. For example, the police department, right from the DGP at the top to constable at the bottom, is directly involved in the maintenance of law and order. Now आपको समझ में आएगा simply, right. Like it's not a complicated topic because I divided for 2 videos because you should make, this is one of the main topic. इसमें से question आ सकते हैं पक्का. So first of all you study about line agency, then you study about staff agency, then you just compare these both. That's why I just make it two videos here. Okay, and responsibilities to execute policies. एक पॉलिसी को अच्छे से execute करना भी लॉन्गा ही नेचर है लाइन एजेंसी का. लाइन एजेंसीज आर ऑलवेज responsible for the execution of policies and other programs sanctioned by the legislature. These are enforced and implemented by the executive authority. The whole policy execution is the responsibility of line agency. Okay, direct contact with the people. We already told you, when you are going for electricity office, they are directly involved with you, right? So direct contact with the people. The another point is that line agencies stay in direct contact with the people and provide them specific services. For example, the Department of Agriculture renders services to the farmers. The Department of Education directly provide the educational services to the people, right? And next point is line agencies are directly under the control of the chief executive. एक executive के under control होगा line agencies, right? Line agencies are directly under the control and supervision of chief executive. For example, their activities, they are responsible to the chief executive and through it to the legislature. Okay, उसके लिए control चाहिए, right? इसका इतना freedom दे रहे हैं, they are making law and order, sometimes orders issue कर रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए control होना चाहिए, right? So then this in the sphere of public administration, line agencies are those which have the responsibility to implement the approved governmental policies and programs. Okay, it's we already told this is the under the public administration topic. So in the sphere of public administration point of view, line agencies are those which have the responsibility to implement and approve the governmental policies. Implement करना है, approve करना है government policies and programs को. This is the nature of line agency. And what are the types of line agencies? There are 4 types of line agencies in public administration. In public administration point of view, it's a 4 type of line agencies mainly. One is government departments, another one is public corporations and government companies and independent regulatory commission or special agencies or authorities. Of the above examples of line agencies, the first 3 are available in almost all countries of the world. What is first 3? Government departments सब country में है, पब्लिक कॉरपोरेशंस है, गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज है, and countries in the world. And in the independent regulatory commission is special feature of the administrative system of USA. In this independent regulatory commission only in the special system है USA का government का. बाकी other 3 are common in almost all the countries in the world. An example of independent regulatory commission is in the interstate commerce commission. ओके, सो फॉर द एग्जाम्पल एक एग्जाम्पल है इंडिपेंडेंट रेगुलेटरी कमीशन के लिए एक एग्जाम्पल है इंटरस्टेट कॉमर्स कमीशन, दैट इज इन 1887. ओके, होप यू क्लियर्ड line agencies. If any doubts, you can comment on comment box. Okay, so today we will wind up the about line agencies. You just go through thoroughly our slides and make sure tomorrow we will see the staff agency and we will do the both the comparisons. Okay, thank you.